Happy birthday, Daddy. Enjoy your day. We love you.
We love you. We love you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hello! Hi brother! Kumusta na tayo dyan? I'm still in Australia. Nasa cruise. Enjoying, of course. And relaxing. Pero anyhow, happy birthday sa'yo. Age is just a number, remember. All I wish for you is good health, of course, prosperity and longevity, happiness, long happiness, with your family, of course. So, happy birthday again. Thank you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday sa iyo. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati sa iyo. Happy birthday sa iyo.
Hi Kuya, happy 17th birthday. Enjoy your day and more birthdays to come. Bye.
Bye-bye. Papasok na ako. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Sana
birthdays to
more
come.
birthday ba? Malakas ka pa.
Happy birthday, Kuya Sunny. God bless you.
More birthdays to come. We love you.
Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa birthday ni Sunny. Kumusta na lang sa inyong lahat yan. At kahit malamig ng konti dito, pero wala nang snow. Wala naman ng snow ngayon. Salamat doon sa mga padala nyo. Yung mga padala yung pastillas, yung mga lahat-lahat. Salamat. Ngayon lang ako nakapagpasalamat sa inyo. Kumusta na si Sansing Honor, si Sansing Uping, si Ate Pinang, sa inyong lahat yan. Hindi kami makakauwi kasi busy din kami. Marami kaming inaasikaso. Saka maraming nagbe-babysit. Uuwi na si Nanay Norma. Yung saka yung babysitter ni Tina uuwi na sa Pilipinas. Kaya hindi ako pwedeng magbakasyon. Saka marami kaming yung brother-in-law ko nagkasakit din. Saka nga si Beth, minsan dinadalaw namin si Beth palagi. O sige, happy birthday, Sunny! Enjoy! Mag-enjoy kayong lahat diyan. Thank you sa mga pasalubong. Salamat! Bye!
Hello, Sunny! Happy birthday! Happy 70th birthday! Ito ang pinakamasaya mong karawan dahil nakauwi ka sa Pilipinas. At narigaluhan mo yung sarili mo ng bagong kotse. Kaya ako masaya sa iyo at ang ate mo. At least masaya ka at nagagawa mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo magawa noon. Kaya uli, binabati kita ng isang maligayang kaarawan. At sana makabalik ka rito ng maayos at manalong purse.
Okay, kumusta kayong lahat diyan? Sunny, happiest birthday ever. Kasi kapiling mo yung mga kamag-anak natin. Lalo na ngayon na matagal naman na rin hindi sila nakita. Sa bagay, 3 years ago, we went home. Kaya, sorry,
Happy birthday
hindi
ulit.
kami makakauwi. Pero, wishing you a very, very happy 70th birthday. Okay, salamat sa inyo.
Hi Tito, happy birthday po. Wish you po all the best more blessing and happiness, and of course, good health. Enjoy po yung bakasyon nyo dyan, and see you here po soon.
Hi, Tito Sunny. Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. We hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy the Philippines.
Who's Sunny?
Happy birthday po. Wishing you more good health and many more blessings po. Have a wonderful day po. Enjoy.
Enjoy too.
Hi Tito, happy birthday po. Wish you good health, more blessings and happiness. I hope you enjoy your birthday.
Hey Tito, happy birthday all the way out here from California.
Happy 70th birthday po, Tito Ninong. We thank God for your life as we celebrate with you on your milestone. Our prayer is that may God continuously guide and bless you in everything that you do. May you have more birthdays to come and good health po. Enjoy your day. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Tito Sunny Boy.
Happy birthday, Teacher Sunny.
Tito, happy birthday po. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Sana makapasyal ulit kayo dito sa Mindanao.
1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Wawa Sunny! Happy birthday, Wawa Sunny! Happy birthday, Wawa Sunny! Happy birthday, Wawa Sunny! Okay, sumaso! Happy birthday, Wawa Sunny! Happy birthday, Wawa Sunny! Happy birthday, Wawa Sunny! Happy birthday, Wawa Sunny!
Happy birthday po, Tito Sunny. Ang wish ko po sa inyo is good health and many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and regards din po kay Tita. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lolo Sunny!
From Kagape family, happy birthday, Sir Sunny! Be strong, be healthy, and be a blessing! God bless you!
Hi, Sunny! Happy birthday! God bless you always. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito Sunny! Have blissful years and good health. God bless you!
Hi, Kuya Sunny Boy! Happy birthday! Hope you have many more to come. At lagi mong iingatan yung health mo and enjoy life while you can. At travel din pag may time. Ingat kayo palagi ni Ate Grace sa everyday na pagpasok nyo sa work. And sana mag-grant lahat ng wishes mo. And I know this is a surprise for you from AJ. So nag-effort kami. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday kay Sunny Boy. Happy 70th birthday. Enjoy your day today. Sana maging masaya ka. And hinay-hinay lang sa pag-inom. Para iwas sakit. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Tito Sunny Boy. Happy 70th birthday. We hope you have a blessed year with good health and happiness.
Kita po tayo sa Chicago.
We love you.
Po.
Happy birthday, Tito Sunny Boy. More birthdays to come. Ingat palagi.
Hi, Tito Sunny. Happy 70th birthday. I wish you have more birthdays to come. And good health, more blessings, and see you in America.
Hey boy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday, Tito Sunny Boy.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
3 John 2 verse 2. Dear Kuya Sunny, I pray that you may enjoy good health and that all may go well with you. Even your soul is getting along well. Happiest birthday!
Kuya Sunny Boy, happy birthday!
Thank you, including clippings.
Bye. Thank you.
We miss you, Chicago family.
Thank you.
Oh, Balay, happy birthday!
Happy 70 years
birthday!
old. Enjoy.
Enjoy,
God bless.
Enjoy lang,
And
Balay.
good health.
Happy birthday, Kuya Romeo. Enjoy your day and God bless you more.
Happy birthday! Wishing you a happy birthday. Good health, more biko and pansit. Don't forget the Sharon! Yay!
Enjoy your vacation.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Romeo. Cheers to another year of your life.
Happy birthday, Romeo! Sana humaba pa ang natin. Buhay natin at marami pang birthday na darating.
Good health.
Good health.
Okay. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday.
To my best friend Romeo, happy birthday, and I hope and pray to our Lord that you have more, and many more birthday to celebrate. Thank you for being my best friend forever.
Hi, Sonny! Happy 70th birthday! This is Domeng. Yeah. Enjoy your birthday. Special day.
Okay. How about Tiki? Tiki,
Happy 70th birthday.
Happy birthday, Sunny Boy!
70th.
78?
70th.
Okay.
Happy birthday po on your 70th birthday. Happy birthday po.
Hindi ako. Oh, ito, Mami. Mami kayo.
Happy birthday, Sonny!
Happy birthday, Sunny! More birthday to come.
Enjoy.
Magdala ka ng pasalubong sa akin. Pag-uwi.
Okay.
Sunny Boy, happy 70th birthday.
Okay. Have fun.
Have fun.
Yeah, he's in the Philippines. Enjoy.
Enjoy your party.
Okay. That's nice.
Happy birthday!
Sige pa.
How young are you?
70.
70? That's a good age. Okay, enjoy ka lang and God bless you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.